guys, welcome back to my channel, and I would like to welcome all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Today I wanted to do a quick video on how I use double-sided tape to hold my straps together for heavyweight or thick fabrics while I'm sewing. All right, let's get started.
Alright, so here's what you are going to need. You're going to need your strap, alright? This particular strap is 18 inches by 4 inches. I'm using it for another project. But whatever size strap that you are using for your project, you need to cut out your strap. And you're going to need some double-sided tape. This is 1/2 inch double-sided tape. I got this from Amazon. I'll link it in the description box below. And this is 0.3 inches. I got this from the Dollar Tree. So this is wider than the 0.25 inches that I usually use. So this will be great for this project. But I've been dying to try my 1/2 inch double-sided tape. You don't need this. This is a brayer. I'll show you what I'm going to use it for, but you do not need this. But just in case you have one, pull it out. You're going to need some scissors. I'm just going to use my clips, snips, and then you may need some clips. You may need some, you may not need some. All right. And of course your sewing machine and your coordinating thread. All right, so what I've done already, I folded my strap in half and I've pressed so I can see this crease in the middle. And I've also pressed both sides towards the middle, all right? And that's just so I could see my creases. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my double-sided tape. And remember, I put my creases already so I can see my crease. So I'm just going to place this, I'm going to center it in my center crease. And I'm not going all the way to the edge because of how I'm going to sew up my strap. I will make sure I keep this in the center. Right, and then just take your scissors or your snips. Right, and now if you have this, again, it's not necessary. You just use it to kind of go over your double-sided tape to make it stick really well. It's going to stick well anyway, but who doesn't like a good sewing toy, right? Right, so you unpeel this and your double-sided tape is now down. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take both ends and I'm just going to fold it over about 1/4 inch. And it should stick to that double-sided tape in the middle. Right? Then you take your one side and you fold it to the center. And this is why I like this double-sided tape, the 1/2 inch, because it's so wide. I have more than enough room to put both sides of the strap. Since this denim is so thick, sometimes it's hard to work with, so this double-sided tape helps tremendously. So this would be great for faux leather, cork, when you're doing straps using that type of material. Right? Then you fold your strap. towards the middle again. And here's where you can use some clips to hold this in place. Oops. Take this to the sewing machine once you have it clipped. Excuse me. Take this to the sewing machine and then you sew down both edges and your straps will be done. Alright, so your strap is done. So you can, whatever you're going to use your strap for, you can go ahead and make it. And it, the double-sided tape helps hold things together. And hopefully this will help you better sew your heavyweight straps, whether you're using a denim or a leather, faux leather, or a cork fabric. So if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. And also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video.